and I think that is one of the reasons why I give and we have here the actual, what am I showing you? Like itchy knees. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. But for those of you who are new here, hi, my name is Raya and welcome. Don't forget to click the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I have new uploads. Mostly that's makeup tutorials, get ready with me's, and the occasional makeup reviews. So today is one of those days that is occasional because I have a new product to test out, and that is the Total Temptation Mascara from Maybelline, and this is the newest addition to the line of mascaras that is available here in the Philippines. So if you want to know my full thoughts on this one, just keep on watching. If you're wondering why my makeup is incomplete, I'm actually doing a separate makeup tutorial for this look, so stay tuned for that. Now let's go to the actual review itself. This is the box or packaging of the mascara. I don't know, I think I'm more partial to their old packaging because they don't have like this box. They just put it in a stall and that's it. You get your mascara, but I get why they have this new box edition because it contains all of the information that you need, the ingredients of the mascara, how you apply the mascara, what type of mascara did you get. In my case, this is the waterproof edition, and how long will it last you. It says here in the box it will last you for 6 months, so it's good for 6 months after opening. But for me, I usually stretch out my mascaras up to a year if it doesn't like smell funky or feel very icky on my eyes, and if I don't develop any allergic reactions to it, I stretch it up to a year. But bear in mind that is not advisable. So if you experience itchiness, swelling on your eyelids beyond the expiry date that is suggested in your packaging, then quit using the product, okay? So just to be clear. And then now we have here the actual mascara itself. This is the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. And at first glance, the packaging of the actual tube itself is very aesthetically pleasing to the eyes. It's like a high-end mascara, don't you think? I like the feel of the mascara because it doesn't come usually in their glossy packaging. I'll show you. This is one of their old Maybelline mascaras. This is the Hyper Curl Volume Express in the waterproof edition, and the packaging in this is very glossy. This one is matte. However, the downside of this matte packaging is that it is very easy to get dirty. As you can see here, I have already like stain marks from the actual mascara formula itself when I pick off the excess from the mascara wand. And I'm a slight OCD in my makeup products, so I don't like having to look at stain marks on the packaging, etc. Although it's really beautiful, like I like the pastel color and such, I wish they just kept the glossy packaging so that it doesn't come off as dirty as this one. Rating for the packaging is like 3 out of 5 just because I want it to be pristine. Nevertheless, it's really pretty, don't you think? This is the shape of the mascara wand. It's different from the other Maybelline mascaras I have reviewed in this channel. If you're interested, I have an old video that I will link in my description box down below comparing the Hyper Curl mascara to the Magnum Big Shot Mascara. And this one is very different. The wand is actually thin, just like the Magnum Big Shot and the Hyper Curl Mascara. But the Hyper Curl Mascara has a curved wand. Let me show you. This one is getting funky, so like needs to go to the bin. But as you can see, this one is more curved. The Magnum Big Shot one is more oval in shape. However, this one is like a mix of everything. It's like an hourglass shape, but it's more pointy towards the end. It's like a subtle hourglass shape, and the bristles of this wand is not plastic. It's more fibrous, and actually I like that. I prefer this kind of wand than plastic rubbery ones, because I feel like they really catch the lashes more. They really comb through the lashes more. And the color is black, very black indeed. And the scent of this is actually very pleasant. It's not like the other Maybelline mascaras I have tried, or any mascara for that matter, because mascaras usually have that chemical scent lingering, but this one smells very, very sweet. It's like artificial coconuts. It feels as though summer is just around the corner. Actually, that scent is attributed to it having an infusion of coconut extract. I actually don't know why they have a coconut extract infused in the formula. I don't know if that helps in like the application or the wear time of the mascara. But what I do know is that it makes it really, really waterproof. Let's insert a bit of science theory here. Oil and water do not mix together. They are of different polarities. Oil is non-polar, water is polar. So like when you mix them together, they don't go well with each other. So the tendency is that when you put water in oily products such as this, because this has oil in it, water does not affect the oil. So in turn, the mascara that has coconut oil in it will not be affected too much with water, and maybe that will really make the waterproof formula efficient. And what I discovered from using this product is whenever I use makeup removers, especially makeup removers that are oil based, this one is very, very quick to go. I'll show you in a demo later at the end of the day when I will give my final thoughts and such. With the Hyper Curl mascaras and other waterproof mascaras that I have tried, they are very, very hard to work with when you remove the makeup, because it seems as though makeup removers do not do its job in just one swipe, or in just like in less amounts. You have to go back and forth with another batch of makeup remover just to remove this formula. But with this one, I don't know what it is. It just melts the product so that it comes away in just like 2 to 3 swipes, and it doesn't come off as flaky. It comes off as like melted black liquid. Makeup removers usually have micelles, and that one is also non-polar. So if you use that kind of makeup removers and also oil-based removers, it reacts with the oil in this one, and they go well together. They mix together so that when it comes off in just one solution. You see? So smart. My BS chemistry self must be so proud. So I think that is the concept behind the coconut infusion, and I like it. The coconut extract that is infused in this product is what makes it more unique. And because of that change in formula, I give the formula a score of 5 out of 5. It's very waterproof, which is perfect in the weather here in the Philippines, because 1 minute it's hot and humid and you sweat all over, the next minute it can be raining. Okay, so now we go on to the demo. The formula is still very wet. It's been like 2 weeks since I got this and I keep on using it just to have an initial feel of the product before I review it full time. What I noticed is that it doesn't dry as fast as other mascaras do. It retains that wet factor. And this one just separates the lashes efficiently, like they really make the lashes fanned out. It gives length and volume at the same time, and I like that kind of effect on my lashes. So I'll bring you closer. This is one coat of mascara and it's really natural. Yes, the lashes are really separate from each other, but it does add volume in there because you see the base of the lashes is black. And what I like about this product is that even though you build it up too much, it doesn't have that clumpy effect that most mascaras do. I like the way it makes my lashes look. I feel like I can get away with not wearing any false lashes at all. I'm gonna stop here, although you can actually build it up to how many layers, but I'm gonna stop here. I'm gonna wear this for a long time, and I'm still gonna do my laundry. So I don't want to be too glamorous when I do my laundry. So hello guys, I'm back for the final check-in. It's been 5 hours since this mascara is on my eyes, and I'm not gonna extend this wear time for much longer. I'm sorry for that because I want to wash this makeup off my face, and I still have a lot of things to attend to, like academic stuff. You understand. But well, my final thoughts on this product is that 1, the formula is very long lasting. I did go out in the middle of the afternoon, so it's very hot, so I sweat a lot, and it didn't budge. My mascara is still there. Overall, very minimal transfer. I would say this is smudge proof. Unlike most mascaras out there in the market, it doesn't feel heavy on the eyes, which I like. If you will wear mascara for a long time, like for your full day, 8 hours straight, I think this mascara is good for you, and I think it doesn't really cause allergic reactions to your eyes also. And I also think that the coconut infused extract in this product will help a lot in moisturizing and hydrating your lashes. And speaking of that, let's try to test the smudge proof waterproof claim. Alrighty, I'm gonna take my facial mist. Usually when I don't have any waterproof mascara on, when I spray my facial mist, it transfers everywhere. So let's try. And I'm gonna try to smudge the mascara. Few flakes have come off, but as you can see, there is no transfer whatsoever. I'll try it again. Nope, not transfer. So waterproof claim is true. Smudge proof claim is true. So this retails for 399 pesos, but I got it for sale, I think, at 299 pesos. So for me, it's really a bargain. This is really good quality, guys. I think it will be really on par with a lot of high-end mascaras out there. It gave a false lash effect on my lashes, and I really like that. The last thing that I really adore about this product is that it is really easy to take off. So I'm gonna take my oil-based makeup remover from Garnier. This is also oil infused. I believe it has argan oil in it, and I'm just taking a little bit on my cotton pad, and let's try to remove this. And ta-da! As you can see, with one swipe it removes a lot of the mascara off, and this is what I've been telling you earlier. it doesn't come off as flaky bits. It comes off as a melted lac solution, which is very hassle-free for me. Easy to apply, easy to build up, and easy to remove. So that's it. I would rate this product 10. No. I would rate this product 10 out of 10. So if you want to get your hands on this mascara, definitely take it. I recommend it a lot. I cannot specify it enough. I really like the mascara. So yeah, definitely recommend this product. The sun is setting down, so I need to wrap up this video. All in all, if you want to get this product, then be sure to do so. I highly recommend it. So yeah, that completes our review for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!